So this is a recap for live stream 114, I believe. And on this recap, we've had two parts to the stream. So on part one, we started the day pretty bad. At one point, we're down for 58 points. This is the NQ trade we're looking at here. Close for a loss. We were actually in positive profits. We're in profits for a while. We're looking for a move up towards the 540s. You can see price came back, eventually closed that position. Had some difficulties in the market. We had ES trade actually worked. That worked pretty well. Hit our target around 70. Not so positive trade, so had 33,125. Didn't follow the plan here. So what happened was I tried to short it. Thought price was turning over after struggling to break these highs. Shorted it. Price went up. Decided to close for a loss. Then went long. On a secondary entry pullback signal. Price went against me. Eventually closed there for a loss. After that, I then went. How did I pick up 27 there? Let's have a look. After that, I went short. Hit target all the way down here. And this short was again based on I'm thinking the market was turning over. There's a big risk to that because it wasn't part of the trading system. NQ, similar story really. Went long, exited, went, closed part of the position there. Okay, lost. Went short, and that was part of the ES trade. Again, looking at the market rolling over because price went up, seemed to be stalling. Picked up the profit target here around that 50.75. I thought about having the target bigger, but I was looking at that 90 level, 390. I've seen price come down, decided to adjust my target to pick up 50 points, which I did. Kind of dug myself out of a hole that I was in. RTY, believe these were losing trades. Had a small loss there, 5 or so points. YM, I didn't set up, so I didn't take any trades. Gold, we actually lost on our first trade. Went for a long, price came down, actually hit our stop. Definitely need to look at how I manage these trades because there possibly was the opportunity to get out earlier for a smaller loss, but something I have to look at. More recently, we took a long trade, target hit. The problem was didn't have the right amount of contracts selected. Did not have the right amount of contracts, had 45 contracts selected instead of the 50. Placed 5 contracts lower than I should have. 5 contracts should have been around the 70 mark. I placed it around 69.6 or something. Price came down within a couple of ticks, didn't get there, eventually went on to hit target. So picked up 20,250, should have been closer to 25, but that's just the way it goes sometimes. So we ended the morning stream, we're up 22, came back in the afternoon here after FOMC, interest rate decision, and during the Fed Chair Powell's press conference. We picked up a further 20 points to bring us up to 42. Let's see, did we take any YM trades? On the YM trades, again, FOMC should have looked at putting a pending order. So what I did was I placed an alert. When I got the alert, went over to the charts, price was already retracing by this point. Placed a pending order after the fact, price never retraced, would have hit target. That's what this green line was, would have hit target if I'd have placed a pending order. Similarly, would have happened on ES and NQ as well. So definitely something to think about to place pending orders just so that we don't miss these opportunities. So the pending order, where was it? There was an entry somewhere that would have been triggered on this candle. There was an entry in here somewhere that would have been triggered, but it's all hindsight now. So we're just going to end the day at 42,537. We'll have a look at our trade performance. And on our trade performance, we can see here, it's not a great equity curve. We can see first we drew down minus 27,146, went positive on the day briefly. 5, biggest drawdown, we're down all the way down to minus 58. Drew down again, 54, Finally, we're ending the day up at 42. So very big swings in RPN now, from down 58 at the lows to being up 42 at the highs where we're ending the day. The most recent trade, of course, also being the trade that we took on RTY. This trade, the target we're looking at was around 31.4. The fact that we had these two big candles and we were coming into a daily area, a daily swing around 304.9. I was a little bit concerned that we won't see the follow through, that we may see the daily level act as resistance. So exited the trade for break even, as we can see, 0.750. So exited for break even there, because I was a bit concerned about the daily level here on RTY. Of course, we got a catalyst of the FOMC, but exited. As we can see, it's all in hindsight now. The trade would have continued to work. There it is, up 9.5 points. So that'll be nearly a further 25 points onto this. Looking for that move up to 31.4. But it is what it is. We're just going to be happy to walk away 42 points, having another positive day on the books, and look to see what the market brings for us tomorrow. So thanks for watching. Good luck trading, and have a great day.